Every second, the sun releases enough energy to power the earth for 500,000 years. And it does this every second. In just one day, the sun generates more energy than humanity has used in all of history. But where does the sun get all this energy? What fueling this massive fireball that's been burning for billions of years? Before we dive where sun gets all of its energy, let's first quickly look at our sun. The sun is mostly made of hydrogen, about 74%, the same hydrogen that's in the water you drink every day, and helium, about 24%, the gas used to fill balloons that make them float up. The rest is made of other elements like oxygen and carbon. The sun has different layers. As its center is the core where all the energy is produced. Around the core are the layers that move this energy outward. The sun doesn't burn like a flame. Instead, it's powered by nuclear fusion, like billions of hydrogen bombs exploding every second in sun core. This sun is absolutely massive. It is so big that you could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside it. Can you imagine that? Because of this massive size, the sun core has an unimaginable amount of pressure, literally billions of tons pressing down in every single second. This pressure is what forces hydrogen atoms to smash into each other, sticking together to form helium. And every time this happens, a huge amount of energy is released. This process is called nuclear fusion. It what power the sun and give us light and heat. If you ever watch this video of Dr. Michikaku in which he tells his favorite equation E equal to mc square, because it is what that light up our universe. Sun energy is so immense that 1 hour of sunlight on Earth could power the planet for a year. That's how powerful it is. Right now, we are getting better to use this energy with things like solar panel which turn sunlight into electricity. But this is the just beginning. Around the world, engineers and scientists working on many mind-blowing solar projects. There's the idea of creating solar farms or massive solar grids in desert that could power entire countries. The sun has been powering life on Earth for billions of years, but we are only just scratching the surface of what it can do for us. Who knows, one day we might depend entirely on the sun for all our energy needs. The sun is truly mind blowing, isn't it? And while it powers our world today, in ancient time people used its light to measure the size of our planet 2000 years ago. To watch this video, click here and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.